What am I? Could I be a glitch, you ask yourself? Maybe a figment of your imagination? Or am I simply the real monster that dwells in the shadows? Something as old as time. Something more black than death. Am I perhaps the reason that your blood runs cold and a shiver runs down your spine? I am whatever you believe me to be.
Nothing is real. This can't be real. I hear it repeating in your mind. This is a dark place. Nothing is illuminated. Even when the light is on, darkness prevails. You believe you are lost, and so you run. You run and run through the shadows. But there's nowhere to go. No matter how far you run, you will never reach an end. Because this realm is never ending. And you are not lost. You are exactly where you belong. The children, the ones who were sent here before their time, they are lost. They do not deserve the agony that exists in my world. Do you deserve the agony? Do you deserve to be stranded in the eternal blackness, running away from the things that approach? The monsters you forged in life. I believe that none are more deserving of this fate than you. So run and scream and pray that your past does not catch up to you.